Let's make coconut curry shrimp today. First step is to burn your curry. For that, you're going to need either oil or butter. I've chosen butter today. It makes it taste so much more creamy. Here, I'm just putting the curry in the pan and letting that heat up. Next, we're going to add some peppers I've already cut up. It's a mixture of sweet peppers and green onions. Here you see me adding the coconut milk, and any brand will do in my opinion. I'm just gonna give this a good stir before covering it and letting the veggies simmer for a bit. Now we're gonna add our powder seasonings, which include onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, some paprika, red chili flakes, and just a little bit of salt. And now for the star of the show, we're gonna add the shrimp to the sauce. Now every seasoning, all the powdered seasonings that were added to the sauce were already added to the shrimp. So yeah, I'm not gonna add anything else. It's already perfect as is. We're just gonna let the shrimp cook down for about 5 minutes. Shrimp does not take that long to cook, unless you want rubbery, chewy, like, no, you don't need to cook shrimp for too long. So we're gonna cover it, let it cook for about 5 minutes. It'll be done. It'll be perfect. Here I'm sprinkling some parsley flakes on top, and it is finished. Look at this. Beautiful coconut curry shrimp in under 10 minutes. I literally filmed myself cooking this in 10 minutes. One take. Look at this dish. Creamy coconut curry shrimp. Let me know if you try it.